to the classic car meeting at Olgiata. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Orlando Raw, and today we're at a classic car meeting. Okay, this is a very old Alfa Romeo classic. Looks like a Rolls Royce from the back. Look at that immaculate interior. Again, this beautiful white Porsche. That large air scoop in the back. And this is a Cabrio Volkswagen Golf. Look at that. 1981 model. And look at this two-seater Roadster with exhaust on the side. Very tight cabin space there, and we have a right-hand drive steering wheel. And this is nearly 6 meters long. Look at that. What a car. Don't see these anymore on the streets. Look at the interior. Wow. Look at those air fins in the back. Wow, so particular this car. Okay, we're inside the Starfire. Okay, and look at that. All the gauges and the rev meter down there. And the original radios. And 120 miles per hour. Wow, what a car. This is a Buick. Look at that. Collector's edition. Wow. It's got those wooden panels on the side. Station wagon, look at that. Roadmaster. Here's a classic Chevrolet. Now this is a big car. This Chevrolet, so big, look how high it is. Wow. Here's a Pontiac Trans Am.
Abbiamo ci metto poco a trovare. Allora.
This is an Alfa Romeo Sprint. Wow, we got a car from Fast and Furious. Look at that. Wow. A dedication to Paul Walker. This is a Ford Gran Torino. Look at that. Now this is not the Sarsky and Hutch model, but it has the same logo on the side, so it looks like a Sarsky and Hutch car. This is a Lancia Fulvia. Look at that.
Tuo padre, il cane e Tina. Sì, però quelle cose si facevano ma non c'era più.
And this is a first series Giulietta Alfa Romeo. Look at that. You can tell it's a first series from these events. Okay. Wow, what a car. This car has the gear changing on the steering wheel column. Here we've got a Ferrari 208 turbo. And the 208 turbo, you can tell the difference because it has the other air intake on the bottom here. The bottom of the door. The 308 series has not got this air intake. The 208 turbo was made for the Italian clients because there was a high tax in those years, and they developed the 208 series so people could buy a Ferrari without having problems with the tax. This is a Fiat 750. Look at it. Wow. What a car. Okay, and we have a couple of minis here. And a typical British flag on a green British Mini. How British can you get? Look at that. Wow. Got the like your belts to open and close the hood. Amazing car. And a classic Porsche 924. And besides the 924, we have this splendid orange color classic Porsche. Look at that built-in rear spoiler. Wow. A Porsche Targa going past. And we have another Porsche Targa in green. Carrera 4. And this is a Triumph, and the mirrors are right on the front. Look at that. How far the mirrors are. Usually you have the mirrors here on the side. Wow. Amazing. What a car. Fiat 124. Look at that. Really squarish. A lot of red interiors in these classic cars. Look at those classic wheels. And here we have a Citroen. Wow. What a car. On the Citroen, look at it. Side markers. Strange position, and it has flip over windows. They didn't roll down. We have the gear changing in the center console. Here's a Lancia Fulvia. This is in pristine condition. Wow. Look at that. Excellent. Let's have a look at that engine bay.
In modo tale che la fermi, perché sennò rischi che ti...
E poi quando sta ferma 10 giorni,
Wow.
un mese, pompi, sì, la chiave è fatta.
This is a Fiat Fiorino pickup. It's the first time I see one of these cars. Look at that. Never seen one of these before. Fiat X19 or X19, I don't know how they call it. Designed by Bertoni. And it looks like it's a Targa roof car. Well, not an expert at these cars. So I'm just showing you all these classic cars at this classic car meeting. With that engine. Wow. There goes the roof. And an Alfa Romeo Duetto. Wow. Look at that car. What a line. And this is a Giulia 1300 Super, and this is a car, Alfa Romeo, which the police force had in the 70s. Look at that car. It probably was a really fast car. And this is special edition 4-leaf clover Alfa Romeo, and it had the 4 headlights and the rims. Wow. An A112 Abra. A Fiat 131 Super Mirafiore. Look at that. What a car. And Fiat 500L. Fiat 500L. A real classic with a soft top roof. Doesn't that look beautiful in red? And here's another Fiat 500L. Look at that. As I said before, a lot of red interiors. Look at that. This is a Renault Alpine from 83. Look at that. What a car. With those air intakes. Fiat Uno Turbo IE. Look at that. Very fast car for a teenager. There's some spectacular artwork. Look at that. And a Moto Guzzi just arrived. Look at that. Wow.
Io devo trovare la mascherina però.
What a lineup of classic motorcycles. This is a Kawasaki ZRX 1200. Look at that. Wow. Look at that nice green paintwork. Renault 5 GT Turbo.
Vedi che c'ha tutte le...
Okay, this is an Alfa Romeo 33. And it had that little air wing spoiler in the back. Okay, Alfa Romeo Spider 1750. Look at that. What a car. I like the tail. It's really long. It's a beautiful car. And those headlights, look at those. This is the first series. Look at this spectacular lineup. This is a nice sports Mitsubishi. It also has the steering wheel on the right hand side. FTO. Okay, so I hope you like the classic meeting, and we're going away now. Now Ferrari. And here we go in our 208 Turbo.